Hello and welcome to this tutorial on creating an animation or cartoon or just a digital illustration from scratch using shape tool and how to manipulate the shapes and using the pathfinder tool to great effect. So I'm just going to make a standard human cartoon. So think of these shapes as just your basic shapes to form the construction of your person. So you'd use the ellipse tool for the head because the heads are usually circle, rectangle for the body's arms. I think, and then we can move them around to fill a body type. So what we'll start off with is I might just draw a circle for the head. Yeah, I'm going to keep my cartoon as round. Torso, yep, that's a good shape there. We'll start by having the bodies not filled in, just because I prefer to work like that. I think we'll start constructing this first, so let's make the shoulders a bit round. So I've selected both of them by holding in shift. I might pop my head up there. And what I'm actually going to do is use the layering tool to put the head to the front. But I'll do that later. Might make that a bit shorter. Two arms, copy and paste. Now I actually want to flip that because I don't want to rejig this curve. So what I'll do is I'll right click, go to the transform, and we should be able to find something in here. I think it's reflect. And there it is, reflect 90 degree, it's already done it. Line that up like so. And they're a bit long, so I might actually bring those both forward just a tad. This is his t-shirt. I might actually combine all those. Now to use the pathfinder tool, you actually do have to have the fill on. So let's just put that, give that a fill. And a nice function to use is the eyedropper tool to save you a lot of time if you want a lot of shapes to be the same color. So click on that. That selects that. So as long as those two are selected, you can click any shape, any color around there, even an image, and that will find the color. Now that they're all filled in, let's select them all. And let's unite. There we have our t-shirt. We can add detail later with the pen tool, you know, that's a bit curved there. You know, to make it look a bit more detailed. But I'm just going to do that later. I'm not going to worry about it now. Arrange that to the front. Bring to front. Let's give him some arms. His arms aren't boxed, so let's round them off. I should be able to round it off with the selection tool. Pen tool maybe. There it is. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll use this, but I'm just going to pop it there just in case before I use the pathfinder tool, just in case I stuff this up. I need to do something different. Because I don't want both arms to be the same in this animation. Oh, this is a good point. Make sure to save your work every now and again. We don't want to lose this. I should be doing this more often. Now, I might actually add an anchor point tool here. So you can actually do this by clicking on the anchor point tool, finding the line, dropping it there. Wow, that's frightening. This is an easy way to, without selecting everything, just use the eyedropper tool to click on the color you want while pressing down Alt, and then hold down Alt while you continue to click on the shapes that you want colored in. Alright, let's add some hair to this guy. What else does he need? Yeah, he's a snoz, doesn't he? So we'll go. You should use the pen tool for this one, I reckon. Oh, oh, what have I done? No stroke, but we'll actually go a black stroke there. There we have it. There's a little rough cartoon using just shapes and a little bit of the pen tool, but yeah, it's interesting what type of characters you can come up with. That's something completely different than I've done before, but just all about trying these tools. Become familiar with the tools, adapt the shapes, trial and error with a few things. You can make a cartoon like this. Now this can actually be imported to other Adobe programs, for example After Effects and things like that. They can actually make the cartoon move, but that's a whole different lot of tutorials in itself. But if you want to get creative, that's one way to do it.